Dartmouth chose to shelter known sexual predators to protect their endowment rather than the students.
Protecting future women from the treatment that I faced at the hands of sexual predators is what motivated me to come forward. From the outside, the experience that we've had might seem favorable depending on the outcome that Dartmouth reached, but we think that there are some systemic problems that still need to be fixed in the culture.
Dartmouth failed to protect women for decades who came forward with sexual allegations of misconduct, and this is incredibly important because we're here to protect the women who will come forward in the future.
Women in science face a multitude of headwinds that we shouldn't have to face. We shouldn't be treated differently in the workplace because of our gender, and I think that it's my mission and all of my co-plaintiffs' mission to level the playing field for women in science as they pursue their careers.